It started with a video, grainy security footage from inside an old elevator at the Cecil Hotel. A girl walks in, presses every button on the panel, and waits. The doors don't close. She peeks outside, quickly steps in, then hides in the corner. She looks nervous, like she's trying to stay out of sight. Then suddenly she steps out, looks both ways, jumps back in, presses more buttons. Nothing happens. She starts waving her hands, talking to something that isn't there, and then, just like that, she's gone. And that was the last time anyone saw Elisa Lam, the 21-year-old student from Canada who was on a solo trip across California. She checked into the Cecil Hotel in downtown Los Angeles, a building known more for its dark history than its comfort. Serial killers, suicides, disappearances. The kind of place you wouldn't want to stay alone. But Elisa didn't know that. She disappeared on January 31st. Her things were left behind. Her phone stopped responding. The police searched the building, room by room, floor by floor, and they found nothing. Until weeks later, guests started complaining about the water. They said it was discolored, tasted strange, and had a weird smell. So a maintenance worker went up to the roof, opened one of the hotel's 4 water tanks, and that's where they found her, floating, naked. The same clothes she was wearing in the elevator footage were found at the bottom of the tank. No bruises, no wounds, no drugs in her system. The official cause was drowning. They said it was probably an episode linked to her bipolar disorder, but that didn't explain how she got onto the roof. The door was locked, alarmed. Only staff had access. No alerts were triggered, and no one saw a thing that day. And the tank itself was massive, 10 feet tall, no internal ladder, and the lid on top, made of steel, weighed nearly 100 pounds. And when they found her, it was closed. To this day, no one knows what really happened to Elisa Lam.